You all heard about focusing on assets to become rich, but focusing on liabilities is the easiest way to become rich. Welcome to No Bounds. If you are watching this video, you must be a person struggling financially and couldn't identify any asset to become rich. As an asset, you might have heard about real estate, stocks, hotels, and something else, which are common and you would be not able to afford them as an asset. I was also in the same condition in my beginning stages before having a clear understanding about assets and liabilities. As you all know, assets are something that is bringing money into your pocket, and liabilities take away money from your pocket. It means you are losing money, which makes you poor. But when you lose money due to liabilities, someone is gaining, and for them, it is an asset. So when you change your view on looking for assets, you will get a lot. From now, focus on each and everything by which you lose your money. Notice on how you are losing and how it is going to others' pocket and what is convincing you to lose your money. By focusing in such a way, you can find a lot of opportunities. In today's world, you are convinced to lose money each and everywhere. When you get out of your home, from the beginning, you are convinced to lose your money. So when you change your view, the world is completely filled of new ideas for creating your assets, which makes you rich. Lot of successful ideas were born from people like you who need something and they couldn't lose money. They couldn't afford it. They tried finding alternatives instead of losing their money. The main thing is they focused on their liabilities. So the best way to become rich is focusing on the liabilities which makes you lose money and grab the ideas from those liabilities to create your own assets. We believe that you will become rich soon. From now you will get a lot of ideas to gain money. Be in touch with No Bounds, which helps in achieving your goals. Let's meet soon.